Hi everyone, it's Rob here from Hifonics, and today we're going to be talking about some cool tech inside our flagship amplifier line, the Hifonics BE40 Brutus Elite 40th Anniversary amplifier line. So all of the models in this series include a built-in high-level input. So that eliminates the need for a aftermarket line output converter. One less thing to buy, one less thing that's in line from the source unit to the amplifier. This built-in high-level input will allow for input level adjustment and range selection. So we could really dial in that input signal coming into the amplifier. For all the mono models, we have a built-in bass enhancement processor. So that eliminates the need for either buying a Hifonics BXI Pro 3.0 or any other aftermarket solutions. So this built-in bass enhancement processor in our BE40 line of mono amplifiers allows us to adjust not only the bass level and output level, but allows us to fine-tune the sweep and the width of that frequency curve, where it eliminates the need for another equipment to be in line with the OEM source unit to the amplifier. So cost savings from not needing to purchase a line output converter or an additional bass enhancement processor, and it cleans up the install for you so that everything could be easier and look cleaner. For more information about the Hifonics Brutus Elite 40th Anniversary amplifier line, check out hifonics.com. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great one. We'll see ya.